Do you know doubles? Then near doubles are easy. Double means same plus same. Near double means one more. Let me try mommy's trick. 1 plus 1 equals 2. That is a double. Now look, 1 plus 2. This is almost the same. But the second number is one more. So the answer will also be one more. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 more than 2 is 3. So, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Yay, that is a near double. Let's try one more. What is 4 plus 5? The answer is 9. Now, let's see why. In 4 plus 5, the smaller number is 4. We already know 4 plus 4 equals 8. But in our question, it is not 4 plus 4. It is 4 plus 5. And 5 is 1 more than 4. So the answer will also be 1 more than 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. That is a near double. Double the smaller number, then add 1.
Near doubles, almost the same. Double the small number, add 1 to the game. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Double 1, add 1. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Double 2, add 1. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Double 3, add 1. 4 plus 5, 9. Double 4, add 1. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Double 5, add 1. Near doubles, addition is fun.
Great job, you learned near doubles. Now try this. 6 plus 7 equals? Write the answer in your mind. And watch part 2 for bigger near doubles. Subscribe to Ishaanya Learning Academy for more fun math tricks.